Patient 360, also called P360, is Innovaccer's snapshot view of the patient's longitudinal record, combining both claims data and EMR data. This video will walk you through the basics of using P360. You can access P360 by either clicking a patient's name in EndNote or by visiting the Innovaccer website pictured here. Click on the Patients tab at the top left of your screen to access Patient Search. The Patient Search function allows you to search by a patient's first or last name, the EMPI, or the patient's date of birth. When you click on a patient's name, you will be directed to the patient's P360 page. The top of the page shows the patient's information, including the patient's name, sex, age, date of birth, insurance plan, primary care provider, and primary phone number. The menu to the left of the screen allows you to navigate between the patient's clinical data, risk information, personal information, and a manual entry option. The clinical data page of P360 is a summary of the patient's medical information composed of many different cards. Cards are specific to a certain item and include claims data and EMR clinical data specific to that item, for instance, ED visits or hospitalizations. The risk page allows you to view a patient's social vulnerability index and contributing factors to that score. The personal information page allows the user to view the patient's personal information, including known languages, phone numbers, address, email address if available, emergency contacts if available, managed plan information, caregiver or family member information if available, and information of providers on the patient's care team if available. The manual entry page of P360 allows a user to manually enter patient information into the P360 platform. Please note, because this system is not intended to be a primary health record or replace your current EMR, please document all patient information and visit documentation in your EMR. Let's review a card on the clinical data page. Click the magnifying glass icon to search through available encounters by date, facility, and diagnoses. Click the gear icon to access the card settings. This function allows you to make different columns visible, such as procedure codes, provider name, etc. For more detailed information on P360, view the CMICS Patient 360 Quick Guide and the CMICS Innovaccer Implementation Guide. Now you're ready to begin using P360.